Welcome to our review of the FortiGate-40F Firewall Appliance, an ideal security solution designed for small, mid-sized businesses and enterprise branch offices. Today we'll dive into its features, performance, and overall value, giving you a well-rounded understanding of why this appliance might be the right choice for your network environment. The FortiGate-40F is built with a compact and efficient design. Its fanless desktop form factor not only minimizes space usage but also ensures quiet operation, making it perfect for office environments where noise reduction is appreciated. Despite its small size, this appliance packs robust features that deliver strong security and performance. One of the standout aspects of this device is its robust connectivity options. Equipped with 5 Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 ports, including 1 dedicated WAN port and 4 internal ports, the FG40F offers flexible connectivity that meets various network configurations. This versatility is crucial for businesses that need to manage different segments of their network efficiently. When it comes to performance, the FortiGate-40F truly excels with its high-performance security capabilities. It delivers up to 1 Gbps IPS throughput and 600 Mbps threat protection throughput, thanks to Fortinet's specialized security processing technology. This ensures that even SSL encrypted traffic is inspected effectively, keeping your network safe against both known and emerging threats. The integration of Fortinet's AI-powered FortiGuard labs further elevates the security offering, providing advanced threat protection that scans, identifies, and mitigates potential risks before they can impact your network. This means peace of mind, knowing your organization is protected by a system that is constantly learning and adapting to new challenges. On the management side, the appliance features a user-friendly console that simplifies deployment and network automation. The zero-touch integration with Fortinet's security fabric does not only reduce the setup time, but also enhances overall network visibility and control. This streamlined management system is particularly appreciated by businesses that may not have a dedicated IT security team. While the FortiGate-40F offers numerous advantages, it is important to note that this model is sold as an appliance only, with no subscription service included. This could be a drawback for businesses that prefer bundled solutions with ongoing support. Additionally, when compared with similar products in the market, some competitors may offer integrated subscription services, which simplify long-term management. To get the most out of your FortiGate-40F, ensure you leverage its comprehensive management console and regularly update its threat protection settings. This proactive approach will help maximize its robust security features. In summary, the FortiGate-40F is an excellent choice for small to mid-sized businesses that require a compact, high-performing, and reliable security appliance. If you're looking for effective network security with advanced threat protection, this product might just be the solution for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.